वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड करूँ। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Today we also discuss the theorem chapter 12. The theorem 12.1 is any point on the right bisector of a line segment is equally distant from its endpoints. Any line segment which is this line segment the line segment AB is equally distant from any point P, and we have a line LN which bisect AB, and on LN any point P which is equally distant from A and B, and we shall prove it. In theorems, two things is give. Number one, the given, and the second is to prove. And third, given and prove, we make construction to solve the theorem. So the theorem is any point on the right bisector of a line segment is equally distant from its endpoint. अब the given is a line which is LN intersect line segment which is AB, at the point C such that AC is equal to BC, where LM is perpendicular to AB. LM is perpendicular to AB, where and P is the point on LM. It is the given from the question statement, and the next is to prove PA is equal to PB. We construct something on the basis of given to prove the theorem. So construction next step is join P to A and B, join the point A and B. So the next step is to prove. In proof, one side we take statements and other side the reasons. Here the statement and reason. We know that from the figure ACP is a triangle, and on the other hand BCP is also a triangle. So we compare these two triangles to prove the theorem. Here triangle ACP and we comparison with it triangle BCP. In this AC is equal to BC, and which is in given AC is equal to BC. The reason is given, and the next is triangle ACP and the other angle BCP. They are the same angles, which are angle ACP is equal to angle BCP. They are the right angle because LM perpendicular to AB such that angle is at C, which is equal to 90 degree. And the next is in triangle, both the triangle PC is equal to PC, which is common. PC is equal to PC, which are both the common. So the three conditions shows that the two triangles are seen. Triangle ACP is equal to triangle BCP, and it is due to SAS, means side angle side. When two sides and a angle are similar, the triangles are similar. There are three possibilities when two triangles are seen. The first is three sides are equal, the triangles are equal. Second, side angle side are equal, the triangles are equal. And the other is the two angles and a side are if equal, the triangles are equal. So when two triangles are equal, their all angles and all corresponding sides are equal. Then PA is equal to PP. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle.